Right, next miscellaneous examples. So one question this one, let A bar, B bar, C bar be any three vectors such that magnitudes given, the three magnitude vectors magnitude given, and each one of them being perpendicular to the sum of the other, means first vector is perpendicular to sum of the other, means B bar plus C bar, like that only rotation if you taken. So one vector is perpendicular to sum of the other vectors. At that time if you find out the magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar value. So that's why first if you run the given conditions. So what we run here? So given values what given here? Magnitude of A bar is equal to 3 given, magnitude of B bar is equal to 4 given, and magnitude of C bar is equal to 5. Okay now. So each vector magnitude is given. Next another condition what given here? A bar is perpendicular to B bar plus C bar. This value is equal to 0. And again next one what? B bar is perpendicular to C bar plus A bar is equal to 0. And next one C bar dot means what here? A bar plus B bar, this value is equal to 0. So this is the given condition. So one vector is perpendicular to sum of the other two vectors. Now what we prove that here? Magnitude of this value A bar plus B bar plus C bar value. Okay now. Now we take here whole square. When we write on this one whole square, then how to write on this value? A bar plus B bar plus C bar square. Again if you write on this is the product form. Then product form if you want to write on, then what we write on sigma? That is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar into or dot. Again A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Okay na? Whole square if you split into product of the two terms. Now if we are multiplying this product, then what we run sigma? A bar dot A bar, magnitude of A bar square. Next one A bar dot B bar plus C bar. So first vector A multiplying with the two terms, like that only B vector if you multiplying with these two vectors, B bar dot remaining two vectors A bar plus C bar plus magnitude of B bar square value. Again what we run C bar vector, C bar dot this one what here? A bar plus B bar plus magnitude of C bar square value. Now here sigma magnitude of A, magnitude of B, C value given. So that is equal to A square is equal to 3 square, 9 value plus A bar dot B bar plus C bar 0 plus this value also 0, B bar plus C bar plus A bar. Next B square is equal to 16 value plus 0 plus this value how much here? 25 value. Now finally how much sigma? So 19 plus 16 25, 29 plus 16 25, 25 plus 25 50 value. But this value how much? So whole square there. Magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square is equal to 50. Now what we require here? Only magnitude of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to what we run? Square root of 50. Square root of 50 means 25 into 2, that is equal to finally what we run? 5 into root 2 value. Okay na? Next example sima, this one previous question also ma. So same type of model, previous example, but he given sima 3 vectors A bar, B bar, C bar satisfies the condition. One condition satisfies that given 3 vectors, evaluate this quantity. So mu is equal to A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A bar. When if we find out magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C value is also given. So first we consider the given condition A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. So now we multiplying or squaring on both sides. Then what we run on this value? A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot again means A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Now we are applying the dot product. Then sigma dot product means A bar dot A. Then magnitude of A bar square. Next one A bar dot B bar plus A bar dot C bar value. So like that only second vector. So this one what we done here? B bar dot A bar value. Next one magnitude of B bar square plus B bar dot C bar value. B bar dot C bar. Okay na? Next one what we run here? C bar dot A bar value plus C bar dot B bar value, magnitude of C bar square is equal to 0. Now here what we run these values there. Magnitude of A is equal to 3. So that's why 9 value plus again here write A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar plus b bar dot this one if you interchange this one commutative property a bar dot b bar plus b square is equal to 16 plus here what we done here b bar dot c bar as is written b bar dot c bar plus here if you again commutative property if you applying c a bar dot c bar plus this one b bar dot c bar plus this one how much here 4 value is equal to 0. Now here see constant 9 plus 16 25 plus 4 29 value plus a dot b a dot b a dot c a dot c b dot c. So that's why 2 times repeated means 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0 value is equal to 0. So now 29 taken on to this side, then what we are going to see here? So this value 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus 29. Finally, if you are here a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to minus 29 by 2. But this one how much given? Mu is equal to this one. Then finally what we are done here? Mu is equal to minus 29 by 2. So this is the required value for the given condition. Okay na? Right, Sima. Next example, this is important ma, and a CET also previous bit this one. Here what given Sima? With if with reference to the right hand system of the mutual perpendicular unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap, alpha beta 2 vectors given, then express beta in the form of beta is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2, where beta 1 is parallel to alpha and beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha given. Then what we run Sima here? First if you run here beta 1 is parallel to, so alpha means collinear condition, any vector is equal to lambda into another vector. Then what we run here? So beta 1 is equal to lambda into this value how much here? Alpha value 3 I cap minus j cap. So that's why 3 lambda into I cap minus lambda into j cap. Okay na? So next one what we done here? Beta expressed in terms of beta 1 plus beta 2. So beta is equal to what we done here? So beta 1 plus beta 2 value. Now if you want to find out here, beta 2 is equal to beta 1 taken on to this side beta minus beta 1 vector. Okay na? Beta 2 as is beta 1 taken on to this side. Then that is equal to what we run Sima? Beta is equal to how much there here? 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap minus beta 1 is equal to, so 3 lambda I cap minus lambda into j cap. Then what we done Sima here? 2 minus 3 lambda into I cap. Okay na? So minus into minus plus j if you taken means 1 plus lambda into j cap minus 3k cap. Okay ma? Minus 3k cap. So this is the beta 2, and again what given here? Beta 2 is perpendicular to alpha given. So that's why if you run here alpha bar dot beta 2 is equal to 0, means perpendicular number dot product. Now see this dot product we apply means 3 into 2 minus 3 lambda plus minus 1 into 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. K cap not there in alpha vector, so that's why. Now 6 minus 9 lambda minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. Minus 10 lambda is equal to minus 5. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Then beta is equal to what? Beta 1 is equal to 3 lambda means 3 by 2 I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap. Next beta 2 is equal to what we done here? 2 minus, then this value 2 minus 3 by 2 into I cap. Next value plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into j cap minus 3k cap, that is equal to 1 by 2 I cap plus 3 by 2 j cap minus 3k cap. So this is the beta 1 and beta 2 vectors. Okay na? Let's see in vectors another concept, and commutative side also this is very important Okay na? Board also they given only one part given scalar. So means here what given triple product. Already we completed product, two type of product of vectors in between two vectors, but here my triple product means what? The product formed with three vectors. The product formed with three vectors, then the product is said to be triple product. Now triple product is two types, scalar triple product and vector triple product. But in your textbook board oriented, this concept only there, scalar triple product. So they given miscellaneous part given, but this is important. In competitive side, vector product also very important. Here which type of forms are said to be scalar triple product. If we take any three vectors, suppose A bar, comma B bar and C bar, or any three vectors, then how to write down forms means here. Suppose A bar dot B bar cross C bar, next B bar dot, next here C bar cross A bar, next one C bar dot, this one A bar cross B bar, like this also written. Otherwise this form also written, no problem here. B bar cross dot A bar. Okay, now commutative, we are applying here commutative property. Next what written here, C bar cross A bar dot, this one B bar, next one A bar cross B bar dot C bar. See here actually process what means, so this is called what a scalar triple product means. So B bar cross C bar is a vector. A bar is also vector. Vector dot product is again what given dot product. A bar dot B bar is equal to magnitude. So this is scalar triple product, only scalar only given, scalar value given. Okay now here vector triple product if we take it means let A bar comma B bar and C bar or any three vectors. Okay any three vectors. Now we express this triple product A bar cross B bar cross C bar. So this value how to write down means if you remember this one 1 2 3 vector we consider means third vector dot product with the first vector C bar dot A bar into second vector minus again third vector dot product with the second vector C bar dot B bar into A bar vector. Okay now see here this is the scalar value, scalar multiplying with vector, two vectors difference is also vector only, so that's why this is the vector triple product. Again if you take this value A bar cross B bar cross C bar, so like this given means here first 1 2 3 add A dot C into B vector, again A dot B into C vector. So this is the triple product case. This is what scalar triple product cases. Now we learn in this section, in this class we will study this scalar triple product properties and questions. So this concept is very important for board, 4 marks questions and 2 marks questions also given, not only board. So these concepts are very important for competitive site exams also, JEE main and CET concept also very important. Now let us discuss what is the scalar product and formulas and properties. Okay na? Right. Scalar triple product, So that's why first we take three vectors. Let A bar comma B bar and C bar, or A bar comma B bar and C bar, or any three vectors, First we select three vectors. Now the scalar product of A bar, and B bar cross C bar, the scalar product of A bar and B bar cross C bar is denoted by, how to write means this value A bar dot B bar cross C bar is called this value is called scalar triple product. Scalar triple product of vectors A bar, B bar, C bar in this order. Which order? ABC order. In this order if you taken, this is called what? Scalar triple product of the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar in this order. And this is scalar triple product also denoted by, so this scalar product also denoted by box of A bar, comma B bar, comma C bar, or so this one what written box of A bar, B bar, C bar without commas also if written. So this is the represented by the scalar triple product in box form. Okay na? So what is the scalar triple product means? If we take any three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and that vectors, if we take in order, the scalar product of A bar and B bar cross C, B bar cross C is denoted by A bar dot B bar cross C. This is called the scalar triple product of A bar, B bar, C bar in this order. Which order? A, B bar cross C. This order if we take, means this is the scalar triple product, and this scalar triple product is denoted by which one? Is defined by A bar, B bar, C bar, comma, box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So that's why finally what we means by here, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to, if you write here, box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay na? So whenever box value there means, if you express like this, A bar dot B bar cross C bar, or any one vector dot product with the another scalar, another cross product vectors there means, then also if you write in that one, how to write in A bar cross B bar cross C bar, box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay na? So this is the scalar triple product of any three vectors here. Now we discuss some observations of this scalar triple product or properties of this scalar triple product. So first point, here already we know that this value, what given here, A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to, what we are done here. So this value means what? This is a vector. A bar is a vector. Again, this one also what? Vector. So vector dot product. If you are applying vector dot product, then again must and should be, if you get the value, scalar. If you get the value, what? This value is a scalar value. So that's why what we remember here, box of A bar, B bar, C bar is a scalar, okay na? That is the scalar quantity. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is a scalar quantity. Now another one, here one three-dimensional figure given, geometrical figure given. That geometrical figure is called parallelepiped. So parallelepiped means that geometrical figure having the 6 parallelograms. 6 parallelograms means, suppose that is having these 6 parallelograms. If we join this one and again this one, now if we join this one, next this one, okay na? So this shape is representing the parallelepiped shape. Here this is shape is representing the parallelepiped shape. Now this vectors if we taken, this is the origin value. Now if we consider this is the B point, C point. Now this vector B bar and this vector C bar. Now if we take here A, so now this vector what? A value, okay na? Now this base there, parallelepiped base is representing as a parallelogram. So now parallelogram means here this BC vector projected one vector perpendicular vector. So that vector is perpendicular to this plane. Now this is represent what? B bar cross C bar value, B bar cross C bar. Now here to here, if we take this value, now here to here this A vector, then this is the height of this condition. Now if we take, this is the height, okay na? Now if you want to find out volume of this parallelepiped, so just he given volume of parallelepiped is the magnitude value of the scalar product, magnitude value of the scalar product. That is the formula for. But how do we get that formula means, first we are what we are done, base of the parallelepiped is a parallelogram. So the area of the base of parallelepiped, the area is a parallelogram of parallelepiped, parallelogram of a parallelepiped. That's why area of parallelogram, already we know that here. Area of parallelogram, area of a parallelogram is magnitude of A bar, B bar cross C bar, and it is a base, and it is a base of parallelepiped. So now that area is the base of the parallelepiped. Now what we require here, height. Why means this already length breadth there means height if you want, volume if you want means height. Height how to find it means here two conditions there. Here in between angle, if you consider theta value, means A vector and B bar crosses C bar vector. Now we applying the cos theta formula, then automatically if you get that condition. Otherwise another one also there. If you taken like this, means this A where then A vector, that vector projection along the B bar crosses C bar, then only if you find out the height. So that's why height H is equal to what means the projection of A vector on B bar cross C bar, on along the B bar cross C bar. So projection of A bar along the B bar cross C bar. Already we know that projection A bar, the projection of A bar vector on B bar vector, A bar dot B bar by magnitude of B bar. So that's why what we done here, this one also A bar dot, so this one what we done here, B bar cross C bar by magnitude of B bar cross C bar value. Okay na? So this is the A vector, this is the B vector. If you assumption like that, if you taken means A bar dot B bar by magnitude of B bar, this is the height. Then finally what we done here, volume of parallelepiped. So volume of a parallelepiped, volume of a parallelepiped is equal to A into H value, A into H. Now A is equal to what? Area of the base is the parallelogram. So that's why what we have done, that is equal to magnitude of B bar cross C bar into, so H is equal to what? A bar dot B bar cross C bar by, again here magnitude of B bar cross C bar. Now see these two are cancellation. Okay na? Now final value how much there here? A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So this is the scalar product, but scalar product sometimes negative also possible, but volume negative possible. So that's why if we take here magnitude value, so that's why finally what we done, magnitude of box of A bar B bar C bar is represent the volume of a parallelepiped, volume of a parallelepiped. So once again we will learn this one. First property what here, first observation what, the scalar triple product is always a scalar. Second condition what we consider means volume of a parallelepiped. This shape is represented parallel. Parallelepiped means what? The three-dimensional figure having the 6 parallelograms. That shape is that figure is represented a parallelepiped shape. Now this is here Sima. Now if you want to find out volume of this parallelepiped, so that volume of the parallelepiped is equal to magnitude of the scalar product. Then how do we get that one? Means area of the parallelogram of the parallelepiped. Area of the parallelogram is this one, but that parallelogram, and it is a base of a parallelepiped. This is the base of parallelepiped. So that parallelepiped base area magnitude of B bar plus C bar. And again if you want to find out H, here H directly not possible. So that's why what we taken here, projection of A vector on the along the B bar cross C bar, normal of the B vector and C bar. So that's why what we done, H is equal to projection of A bar on B bar cross C bar. Already we know that projection A bar on B bar means A bar dot B bar by magnitude of B bar. So that's why I written here A bar dot B bar cross C bar by magnitude of. Now these values are we substituting in the volume of a parallelepiped. AH value, A means area value, H is equal to that formula. So now these two are cancellation. Then finally if we get to A bar dot B bar plus C, that is the scalar value, but volume is always positive. So that's why what we taken, we applying here magnitude. So that's why magnitude of box of A bar B bar C value, this value is represent the volume of the parallelepiped, volume of the parallelepiped. Okay ma? Right, next third point Sima. So third point, how do we find out box of A bar B bar C bar value? Okay na? So that's why if you take here three vectors, if you take here, A bar is equal to A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap, and B bar is equal to B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap, and C bar is equal to C1 I cap, C2 J cap, C3 K cap. Okay na? Three vectors there. Now already we know that a scalar product means a scalar triple product. What my A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So first I find out here B bar cross C bar value. B bar cross C bar is equal to, now see my here B bar cross C bar, already we know that how to find it in determinant method. Last class we discussed this one. So I cap, J cap, K cap. Here B bar C bar, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, that is equal to what we written here, I cap. So B2, C3, B3, C2. Okay na? Next minus j cap. Again what we are done here? J cap b1 c3 b1 c3. So b3 c1 plus k cap. Again k cap b1 c2 b1 c2 minus b2 c1 value. Okay na? Now we applying the dot product for this one. A bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to, now see my dot product, a vector what for this one, so that's why a1 into b2 c3 minus b3 c2 minus a2 into b1 c3 minus b3 c1 plus a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So then this is equation 1 given. So this value, now directly I consider this the determinant of three vectors. Means what, Sima? Here determinant of a1 b sorry a1 a2 a3. Next ma b1 b2 b3. Next ma c1 c2 c3. Okay na, that is equal to, I directly I took this determinant of three vectors. Now if you expand in this determinant, 3 by 3 determinant ma first vector means the first point. If you eliminate that corresponding column and row, now 4 elements there. Then what we done, see here, b2 c3 minus b3 c2 minus next a2. A2 means again we eliminate b1 c3 b1 c3 minus b3 c1 plus a3 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So this is equation 2. Now we observing the right side of these two equations is equal. So then automatically what we are on here, so instead of whenever this value a bar cross what we are on, magnitude of a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Okay na? So whenever this is scalar triple product, if you represent three vector scalar product, directly if you applying the determinant scalar components of the every vector if you are running row wise. Now this value is also equal to what now? Box of a bar b bar c bar, box of a bar b bar c bar value also. So this is the process in problems. If you want to find out a box of a bar b bar c bar, means just we find out the determinant of that given three vectors if you write on row wise that scalar components. Now another point, fourth one, here if you take three vectors, let a bar comma b bar and c bar or any three vectors or any three vectors, then what we are see my condition here. So box of a bar b bar c bar is equal to b bar c bar a bar is equal to, here again if you run here c bar b a bar b bar, means these three box values are equal. How do we get these three values are equal? Means if you rotated cyclic permutations if you take it, means then if you get this value, means a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, again b plus c, c plus a plus b. Cyclic rotations we applying means cyclic permutations we applying means if you get the value. If you want to calculation orient, if you want means if you applying this method only. In this determinant, if you interchange indeterminate properties, there any two rows or any two columns are interchanged, the determinant sign is not changed. So like that only if you interchange these two, again if you get this box value, again if you interchange these two columns, again if you get this box value. So that's why what we remember means in any box two vectors at a time if interchange means it doesn't change that sign of the box value, sign of the box value. Okay na? Right here see b plus a plus b, again c plus a plus c, two times a. Two vectors are interchanged at a time, so that's why no problem, there is no changes in that box value. Next fifth point, if you remember here, in scalar triple product, in scalar triple product, for example a bar dot b bar cross c bar, so cross and dot can be interchanged, dot and cross can be interchanged. Indeed, if you want means if you interchange that dot and cross, for example if you take this one, box of means a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to this value equal to actually what a bar b bar c bar, already done that rotations here. So this value also b bar c bar a bar, next value also C bar, A bar, B bar value. Okay, now this value what we done, Sima, that last value C bar dot, if you want to run here, C bar dot A bar cross B bar value, C bar dot A bar cross B bar value. Now you interchange these dot values. Again what we get here, if you get the value C bar dot A bar cross B bar value, then now if you want to get here this value there, if you interchange this dot and cross, then what we done here, if you get the value, or commutative if you done means this value what we done, A bar cross B bar dot C bar. First we done the commutative property of this one, A bar dot B bar, B bar dot A bar. Now if you interchange these two product dot and cross, then what we done here, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Again if you get the same value from this one, if you can, this one, if you taken this last one and we run this product, means a scalar triple product form, after then if you interchange dot and cross, again if you get these values, so both are equal. So that's why this point what we remember means in scalar triple product, dot and cross product are interchangeable. If you want any case, if you want me, if you interchange under dot and cross product, okay na, right Sima? Here box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to minus box of A bar, C bar, B bar, means if you interchange these two vectors C plus B, B plus C. So whenever, if you remember in any box, if you interchange one time two vectors, then if we get the opposite sign of the given box value, opposite sign of the given box. At a time, if you interchange two times, so two times if you interchange the vectors means, then if we get the again positive sign of the given box value. Now see how to that value means, box of this value what here, box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to, first what we done this value, A bar dot B bar cross C bar value. Now if you take this value, A bar dot minus C bar cross B bar value. Now if we take minus, then what we done this value minus, if we take in common means A bar dot C bar cross B bar value. Okay na? Now this one how to write, box of A bar, C bar, B bar value. Okay na? So in any box, if we interchange the vectors at one time, at the time if you get the opposite sign of the given box value. Now another point also if you remember, so box of A bar, B bar is equal to 0 value. Box of A bar, B bar is equal to 0. Why means here two vectors are same. Any vector, any box, two vectors are same. At the time that value is equal to 0 value. Now how do we prove that value means box of A bar, B bar. So first we interchange these vectors. Box of A bar, B bar, A bar. Next if we get the value minus, y means A, B plus A plus B. Again if you interchange this one, B plus A, B bar, A bar, A bar. Next what we done this value, that is equal to negative become as positive. A bar. Any same cross there means that cross product is equal to 0. So that's why what bar dot 0 vector is equal to, so that's why in any box two vectors are same means that box value is equal to 0 value. That box value is equal to 0 value. Okay na? So that is the conditions for that scalar triple product points. These are very useful for the board and competitive side exams. Similar last concept in scalar triple product, coplanarity of three vectors. Coplanar vector means what? Two or more vector lies in the same plane or parallel to the same plane. So at the time that vectors are said to be coplanar vectors. Okay na? So coplanar vector means what? Two or more vectors lies in the same plane. So at the time that vectors are said to be coplanar vector. So next here one point there, any two vector is always coplanar. Any two vectors if we consider that vectors are coplanar. Okay na? So by that condition here coplanarity of three vectors given. So three vectors if we take coplanarity, when we prove that coplanarity means three vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. If and only if condition what? That box of A bar, B bar, C bar value is equal to 0. Means what here? So A bar is perpendicular to B bar cross that producted resultant vector. B vector, C vector if you take that resultant vector is perpendicular to this A vector. So that's why that box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0 means the given three vectors are which type of vectors? Coplanar vector. Just we remember this statement and we solve the questions. Now here Sima examples, he given some examples. Now if you want to prove that one by one, first question here given, find A bar cross. Sima, first if you want to find out this value, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Now this value if you want, when we find out this value, he given three vectors given. A bar is equal to 2 I cap, A bar is equal to 2 I cap plus J cap plus 3k cap given, and similarly b bar is equal to minus I cap, next plus 2j plus k cap given. So c bar is equal to, so 3I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap given. Now what we find out here, magnitude means box of a bar, b bar, c bar value if you want. Already I told nama a bar dot b bar plus c bar, 3 vectors given means how to find it, that box value means a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to magnitude of that is scalar, row wise if you are on the each vector scalar components, then what we are on here 2 1 3 value, next minus 1 2 1 value, so 3 1 2 value, that is equal to what we are on here 2 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into this value minus 1 minus 6 value minus 1 minus 6, okay na. So first 2, then we eliminate this value 4 minus 1 value, 1 means that column, middle column we eliminated, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 3 value, 3 if we taken means minus 1 minus 6 minus 7, that is equal to sima here 3 2s are 6 minus into minus plus 5 value, next here minus 7 minus 21 value, that is equal to 11 minus 21, that is equal to minus 10 value, that is the value of a bar dot b bar cross c bar value, okay na. So next one sima, next let's see my next example, show that the vectors, here 3 vectors given ma. Now if you want to show that the 3 vectors are coplanar, so already we know that any 3 vectors are coplanar means the box of a bar b bar c bar value is equal to 0, so that's why we know that a bar comma b bar and c bar are coplanar, then what we are done here, box of a bar b bar c bar is equal to 0. Now if you want to prove that box of a bar b bar c bar is equal to 0, see my box value means 1 minus 2 3 value, minus 2 3 minus 4 value, 1 minus 3 5 value, that is equal to 1 into 15 minus means 12 value plus 2 into minus 10 plus 4 value, minus 10 plus 4 value plus 3 into this value how much minus into minus 6, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 value, okay na. Now this value how much 3 value, now this value minus here 6 6 means 12 value, now here value how much plus 3 9 value, so that is equal to 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. So determinant box of this value is equal to 0 means then what we have done, the given 3 vectors are which type of vectors coplanar vectors, given 3 vectors are which type of vectors coplanar vectors. Here see my next example, find lambda if the vectors 3 vectors are coplanar, already we know that he given 3 vectors are coplanar, given 3 vectors are coplanar means box of a bar b bar c bar value at 0 value, so that's why what we have done, we know that a bar comma b bar and c bar are coplanar, then what we have done here, box of a bar b bar c bar is equal to 0, so box of a bar b bar is equal to 0 means directly if you have done 1 3 and here 1, next 2 minus 1 minus 1, next lambda 7 and 3 is equal to 0. Now 1 into this value minus 3 plus 7 minus 3 into 6 plus lambda, 6 plus lambda plus 1 into 14 plus lambda is equal to 0, okay na, right sima. First one we consider means minus 1 into 3 minus into minus plus 7 minus 3, so 6 plus 7 1, so 14 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now what you see here, so this value is equal to 4, now here minus 18 minus 3 lambda plus 14 plus lambda is equal to 0, lambda minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 14 18 is equal to 0, then lambda is equal to how much 0 value. Lambda, this very important bit for CET of c bar plus a bar, okay na. Now we applying the scalar triple product, so box there means then how dot this value again what we run b bar plus c bar, again c bar plus a, okay na. So we split this value in terms of, now what we are to find out here. So this cross product, C bar cross, already we know that number, this value, same vectors there means that value is equal to 0. Next what we run, this value box, if you multiplying with A bar dot B bar cross C bar, next what we run here, A bar dot B bar cross A bar dot C bar cross A bar. Okay, now first multiplication and second multiplication what we run here, B bar dot B cross C plus B bar dot B bar cross A bar plus B bar dot C bar cross A bar value. Here Sima, now if you run box value, then what we run here, box of A bar, B bar, C bar, first value, plus ma, two vectors there, A bar, same vectors there means that value is equal to 0. Again here also same, this value is equal to 0. Again here also same vector, this value is equal to 0. Same vectors, that value is equal to 0. And the remaining value what ma here, so B bar, then what we run here, B bar, C bar, A bar value. But if you want to see, now if you interchange here two times, C plus A plus C radon. Next C plus B plus A plus C radon. Two times at a time if you interchange means that value also become as a positive. Then what we run here, A bar plus B bar, A bar comma C bar, B bar C bar. Box values 2 into what we run, A bar comma B bar comma C bar value. Now here triple B bar comma C bar. After then first we simplifying the box value. Here same vector 0. After then if you multiplying with A vector all, and after then if you multiplying the B vector for the 3 quantity. Here in box any two vectors are same, means quantity is equal to 0. So that's why I run these values are 0. B bar C times here means A plus B, B. So 2 times means this will become as positive. Then if you get 2 into box of A bar B bar C bar value. Right, next example Sima, this is also important example. Next one, so what given here, prove that given, prove that. So if you want to prove that box of this value A comma B comma C plus D given, C plus D equal to what we prove that here, A B C, vector A, vector B, vector C. What here, A B D, A vector B, vector. Okay, now if you run again this box value, box of A bar B bar C bar is equal to A bar dot this value B bar cross C bar plus D bar value, that is equal to A bar dot, here what we run here, B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross D bar value. Now if you are applying the dot product, so A bar dot B bar cross C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross D bar. Now if you run here box, then what we run here, box of A bar B bar C bar plus box of A bar B bar D bar value, box of A bar B bar D bar, box of A bar B bar C bar value. Okay, now these two are important questions for board and competitive. So right, Sima, in exercise 10.5 appendix exercise, find A bar B bar, box of A bar B bar C bar. Task given, already told box value, how to run determinant of components. If written in row wise, then we do this problem, already explained that method also. So answer, if you get the answer 24, first question. And the second one, show that the vectors A bar B bar C bar are coplanar. Already explained this example also. Coplanar means what, box of A bar B bar C bar value is equal to 0. Now by using these three vectors, if you find out the determinant value, that value is equal to 0 means the given three vectors are coplanar vector. Otherwise that is the non-coplanar vectors, non-coplanar vector. Now third one, Sima, find the value of lambda. If the vectors, three vectors are just now only revised, any three vectors are coplanar means box value is equal to how much? Box of A bar B bar C bar is equal to 0. So that's why what we prove that here, If you take 3 vectors, 1 minus 1, 1 value. Next one, 3, 1, 2 value. Next one, 1 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if you find out this lambda value, 1 into minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 1 into minus 9 minus 2 plus 1 into this value, 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So, 1 we consider means minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 1. So, minus 9 plus minus 2 value, then 1, 3 lambda minus 1. Now, minus 3 minus 2 lambda minus 11, and next one plus 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 11 minus 1 minus 12 minus 3 minus 15. So, lambda is equal to how much? 15 value. Lambda is equal to 15 value. Right here, fourth question given, 3 vectors given, a bar, b bar and c bar. Okay na? So, in that C vector he given 3 unknown variables given, then 2 questions given, here C1, C2 values given, then we find out the C. When we find out the C value, which makes A bar, B bar, C are coplanar. So, A vector, B vector, C vector are coplanar at the time if you find out the C, first question. And second one, what C2, C3 values given, show that no value of C1 can make A bar, B bar and C bar or any value. So, C value, any value if you taken, that value become as collinear or not if you verify that condition. Okay na? So, that's why first one that given 3 vectors given no ma. So, first question what given here, C1 is equal to 1 given, C2 is equal to 2 value. So, that's why if you run C vector related with the C1, then what we run here, I cap plus 2j cap plus C3k cap. Already A vector, B vector given. Now, here what we run, since A bar, comma, B bar and C bar are coplanar, or what coplanar. When this is coplanar means box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to how much? 0 value. Now here what we find out, box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0 means if we find out this value. So first vector A vector components what 1 value. Second vector 1 0 0. Here see I only there, JK value is not there. Next one what here C vector already if you write 1 to C3 value, 1 to C3 value, 1 to C3 value. So that's why what we see here, 1 into 0 minus 0 minus 1 into C3 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now this value 0 minus C3 is equal to plus 2, then C3 is equal to how much 2 value. First case C3 is equal to 2 value. And next second question here. So second question what given here, C2 is equal to 1, C3 is equal to 1, show that no value of C1 can make A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar. So that's why what we are doing here, C vector first we convert, C vector is equal to C1 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Now if you find out the box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to this value what we are doing here, box of A bar, B bar, C bar will be 1 1 1 1 0 0 value, C1 1 1 value. Now see this value that is equal to 1 into 0 minus 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 value, that is equal to minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. So this vectors become as a 3 vectors become as a collinear. Why means box of A bar, B bar. So which value if you given, C plus any value if you given, that value become as a collinear. So then what we are, for any value of C1, for any value of C1. So 3 vectors, the vectors for any value of C1, the vectors A bar, comma, B bar and C bar are collinear, or sorry coplanar, not collinear or coplanar. Okay na? For any value of C1, the given 3 vectors are coplanar. Now this is important question for 3 marks. Show that the 4 points with the position vectors, he given some position vectors given are coplanar. Whenever 4 points are coplanar, if the vectors, if the 3 vectors A, B, AC or AD, in that order only we consider, So then what we done here, we know that the 4 points, we know that the 4 points A, comma, B, comma, C and D are coplanar. are coplanar if the three vectors AB, AC, AD are also coplanar. Okay na? So means what here? Box of AB vector, AC vector, AD vector is equal to 0. Now first we find out the AB vector. So AB vector if you want means OB minus O. So see here 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap minus this one 4i cap minus 8j cap minus 12k cap. That is equal to how much? Minus 2i cap. Next minus 4j cap minus 6k cap. Next one AC vector. OC minus OA. Then 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 4k cap minus 4i cap minus 8j cap minus 12k cap. Then see that is equal to 3 minus 4 minus I cap minus 3j cap minus 8k cap. So next vector what means here? AD vector. So AD if you want to run means OD minus OA value. Then what to run here? 5i cap 8j cap plus 5k cap. Then minus 4i cap minus 8j cap minus 12k cap. That is equal to 5 minus 4 1 value I cap j value cancellation 8j and 8j cancellation. Next 5 minus 7 k cap. Now this value, sir. Now if you take box of this value is equal to sigma. Now if you want to prove that this is coplanar number, so that's why box of AB vector, AC vector and AD vector is equal to, so this value is what we done here. First AB value minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, AD vector minus 1 minus 3, next one minus 8, this vector 1 0 minus 7 value. So that is equal to what we done here, that is equal to minus 2 into means what? Minus into minus plus 21 minus 0 plus 4 into this value how much? 7 plus 8 value minus 6 into this value 0 plus 3 value. So that is equal to how much here? Minus 42 plus this value 54s are 60. So 60 value. Next minus 18. So minus 18 means 50, 60. This value is also how much here? Minus 60 plus 60, that is equal to 0. Therefore, the given 4 points are which type of points? Coplanar. Therefore, the given 4 points are coplanar. Position vector of the 4 points are coplanar. Right, Sima? So, sixth question, this is also important. Previous question, find x such that the 4 points A, B, C and D are coplanar. Already previously I told any 4 points are coplanar means if the 3 vectors, their combination of 3 vectors AC and AB and AC, AD are also coplanar vectors. So what we here? A, B, C and D are coplanar. If the 3 vectors AB, AC and AD are also coplanar. Okay na? Now if you consider a box of AB, AC, AD is equal to 0. So that's why first AB vector, if you run AB vector, AB means what? 4 minus 3, 1 I cap, x minus 2 plus x minus 2 j cap plus 5 minus 1 4 k cap. Next AC vector, so 4 minus 3 again I cap, 2 minus 2 0 j cap, so minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 k cap. Next AD vector, so 6 minus 3 3 I cap, next 5 minus 2 3, so 5 minus 2 3 j cap, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 k cap. Now here what given? That 4 vectors are coplanar given, that's why combination of the 3 vectors are also coplanar. So that's why what we done here, box of AB vector, AC vector and AD vector is equal to 0. So that's why if you want to means determinant value is equal to 0. So this combination of determinant value, how much there ma here? 1 x minus 2, next one this value 4 value, next one ma, so 1 0 minus 3 value, next value ma 3 3 2 value, 3 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you simplifying this value, 1 into 0 plus 9 value minus x minus 2 into minus 2 plus 9 value, next plus 4 into 3 minus 0 is equal to 0. Last question, show that vectors a bar, b bar and c bar are coplanar if a bar plus b bar plus c bar and c bar plus a bar are coplanar. Now if we take this one, so then what we have here, box of a bar plus b bar, comma b bar plus c bar, comma c bar plus a bar are coplanar. Coplanar means box value is equal to 0. Scalar product, then what we have, b bar plus a bar dot this value b bar plus c bar cross c bar plus a bar value. Now this value is equal to 0. Now if we applying cross product, a bar plus b bar dot, here what we have, b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross a bar plus c bar cross c bar plus c bar cross a bar. So already explained this example problem also, same that model only, here this value become as a 0. Plus a bar dot a bar dot this value c bar cross a bar, okay na, plus again what we will see b bar dot this value b bar cross c bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar plus again this value b bar dot c bar cross a bar is equal to 0. Already told nama in same vectors there is equal to 0. So 0 and this value also 0. Now this value also 0. Now this value becomes 0. Finally what we have here, box of a bar, b bar, c bar. This value box of a bar, b bar, c bar value plus b bar, a bar value is equal to 0. Now this one if you interchange form, then this value how much, a bar, b bar, c bar plus this one also a bar plus a bar, b bar and c bar is equal to this one 2 times this box, so 2 into box of a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to 0. Finally what we have here, box of a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to 0. Therefore here box value 0 means a bar comma b bar and c bar are coplanar vectors, okay na. Otherwise already proved that this statement there, this total value is equal to 2 into box of a bar, b bar, c bar, like that also if you means that value is equal